In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom JavaScript to your Wix site using custom code. By the end, you'll know exactly where to place your snippet, how to enable it, and how to confirm it's working. Let's get started right inside your Wix dashboard. First, head to wix.com and log into your account. On the left side of the dashboard, find the settings option with the gear icon and click it. Scroll down until you see Advanced or Advanced Settings. Inside that section, open Custom Code. This is where Wix lets you manage all the scripts that load across your site, such as analytics, chat, widgets, or marketing tools. If you don't see what you expect, make sure you're in the correct site within your Wix account. Now let's add your JavaScript snippet. In the Custom Code area, click Add Custom Code or the plus icon that says Add Code. Wix will ask where to place it. Choose Head if you're installing analytics, chat widgets, or any global tracking script that needs to load early. Choose Body if your provider specifically recommends it, or if the script should render elements within the page content. In the code box that appears, paste your JavaScript snippet exactly as provided by the service you're integrating. Avoid editing or trimming it, since even a small change can break it. When you're done, click Apply, Save, or Add, depending on what you see. Before you leave this screen, make sure the new snippet is enabled. There should be a toggle or checkbox you can turn on. Also, confirm where it loads. All pages for a site-wide tool or specific pages if the script is only needed in certain places. Targeting fewer pages can help site performance if the tool isn't used everywhere. Next, publish your changes. Click Publish in the top right to push the custom code live. Open your site in a new tab, or better yet, in an incognito window to avoid cached results. Check that the script behaves as expected. If it's a live chat widget, you should see the chat bubble appear. If it's analytics, verify that page views or events are being recorded in the provider's dashboard after a short delay. If nothing appears, recopy the snippet from the provider and paste it again to rule out formatting issues. Also, double check that you placed it in the correct location, head or body, and that it's enabled. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.